It was an important goal to me this past year to put size on my legs, but one thing I always focus on with putting on size anywhere, and particularly with the lower body, is injury prevention. So weighing out all those factors to find the right exercises and or the right warm-ups to do to be able to do certain exercises effectively and pain-free. All right, so the pendulum squat. Now, a couple of tips here is squat depth. So what I'm trying to do here is keep a lot of the tension on the quads. So I'm aiming to get the top of the thigh parallel with the platform. So I'm looking for a 90-degree angle there, but I'm not squatting any deeper than that because any deeper is actually gonna take some of the emphasis off the quads and put it all on the glutes at the bottom. So if you're trying to target your quads, just squat down to the top of the thighs are parallel. Foot placement. I like to keep my feet on the lower portion of the platform. Find where it's comfortable for you. But for me, it's the lower half of the platform or lower quarter of the platform. Feet shoulder width apart, squatting nice and slow and controlled on the way down, driving up where I'm digging in with a big toe. Once you've established where your foot position is comfortable with your squat depth, one thing I like to focus on is, as far as the knee is tracking, I like the knee to track just over the big toe. I find for me, I feel discomfort in my knees when I'm tracking over the big toe on this one. So I go just down in line with it. Now, the beauty of this machine here is it has an adjustable platform. So depending upon what your ankle mobility is like, you can adjust that platform up or down, which is going to allow you to get a little bit more depth in your squat if you do have issues with ankle mobility. Another tip here too, to make sure you're not feeling any discomfort in your lower back, when you go down from the squat, you come up, push your knees out slightly. It's going to engage the glute medius. It's going to give your back more stability. It's going to give your glutes more stability. You're going to be able to drive up the weight much easier that way. I did 3 sets, 15 repetitions, resting between 2 and 2.5 minutes between sets. Had a couple knee surgeries, so for me that's a sweet spot. But again, with everything, it's individualized, so try it out yourself and see what feels best for you.